welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold trading in this week. What will going on with the non-farm employment change in this week, Friday on 7th July. So this is I am gold in 4-hour chart. You can see the white color line. This is the pattern is gold is going to the downside. This is the first move and second move and third move already completed and break to the upside move. So I have already analyzed this upside move in my last weekly gold analysis video. You did go through there, watch that accurate gold analysis. You can join with my accurate gold analysis and with signals in Telegram group is below. You can join with and get the profit from the gold trade. So this is the technical picture, technical analysis. I am in 4-hour chart. You can see that this pattern break to the upside yesterday. So I am seeing this is the level. Technically this is the level. This is the, you can see the upside use support, it can be resistance in here. That is the 1930 level. Price can be reached that level. So next level I am hoping this level 1940, 1939, 1940 level, and this is the, you can see the support, several supports in right side. This is the support and this is the support and this is also support and several support. It can be resistance in here, your sell opportunity in here 1940 level. So that's the two levels. Technically I am seeing price will reach this level and this is the first level and sell off, and this is the second level and sell off and going to this side. 1950 is the my target. Is the technically I am seeing gold. This is the technical analysis. So this week has more volatile economic event. That is the non-farm employment change in 7th July Friday. That's the US dollar. So 339k is the previous non-farm employment change, and the Fed, American Central Bank, Federal Reserve is expect forecast to 224k drop non-farm employment change. If non-farm employment change drop to the below 339k, if drop to below 339k to 224 like that, that is the negative effect for US dollar, and gold will be buy to the upside. That is affected non-farm employment change, and the otherwise non-farm employment change huge increase about 339k like 350 400k like that figure. That is the positive for US dollar, and that can be demand US dollar, and gold will be not going to the upside, and it can be sell off this level. And this I mark two sell zones, and this level can be sell off. So that's the non-farm employment change effect, and you should forecast is the unemployment rate also, and average hourly earning also you should forecast. You this touch update with that the 3.7 is the previous unemployment rate, and Fed expected to drop to 3.6% unemployment rate. You should touch with this rate. Unemployment rate dropped, that's the positive for US dollar. Average hourly earnings will be increased, that's the positive for US dollar. 0.3% is the previous figure, that's the average hourly earnings, the more volatile economic data to US dollar. Touch with these economic events, that's the I am hoping to will buy gold in this week also, and this three economic data in Friday you will touch with the get the correct direction with the fundamental and economic data. So that is the my analysis with the economic data combined with the technically analysis. So you should touch with these economic data regarding US dollar non-farm employment change. So two levels, it has a sell opportunity, and I am hoping to buy gold. So like this, gold will increase to upside is like this, and non-farm employment change you will touch with. So that's the get the trade with the smaller time frame confirmation, as the money management is the key for trading. So touch with economic data. So thank you very much.